Once your QuickBooks connection is live, you'll want to set up your sync preferences to make sure everything flows correctly into your general ledger. In Ramp, go to the Accounting tab, then click Settings in the upper right, and then finally Sync Settings. For the QuickBooks credit card liability account, choose Ramp Card from the dropdown. This is where your Ramp transactions will be tracked in QuickBooks. Next, go to Select QuickBooks Cash Account and choose the asset account tied to the bank account that pays your Ramp balance. If your plan includes cashback, go to QuickBooks Redeemed Cashback Account and select where you want cashback posted. Most users choose Other Income or Miscellaneous Income. Then pick your default accounting date, either transaction date or clearing date depending on your reconciliation process. Click Save Changes to finish. Now, set up reimbursements to ensure they sync properly to QuickBooks. Click the Reimbursements tab next to card transactions. Under QuickBooks Online Reimbursements Payable Account, select your Accounts Payable account. Then, under Select QuickBooks Online Cash Account, choose the asset account tied to the bank that pays reimbursements. Finally, select Save Changes. To set up Bill Pay or Treasury, you'll follow a similar process here. Open Ramp and set up your QuickBooks Online sync settings to match your accounting workflow.